Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to change your Shopify store name. So the first step is to simply go to your settings, and after that you'll have to simply go to store details, and then you'll have to simply click on this pen icon, and as you can see you have store names. As you can see, my store, and then here you'll have to simply enter a new name and click on save, and basically that's all you have to do in order to change your store name. But if you want, you can also connect a domain name. Basically, as you can see, this is my domain name, and as you can see, it doesn't look professional at all. So what you have to do is simply click on buy a new domain, so you can buy it right away from Shopify, or you can simply connect existing domain, so you can simply connect your own domain if you already have one, and then simply click on next. So let me enter here and click on next, and then here you have to simply use your domain provider, and this will make your website, your store, way better, because you're gonna have a custom domain. So basically you can use this as your store name. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.